Well, I've always had dental problems ever since I was a young girl. In fact, even when I was getting married, I had already had periodontal work. So it was very important to me to make sure that I had professional assistance on a regular basis to check that I was doing okay. So when I moved down here, I immediately went to find a dentist, and they referred me over to Dr. V's office, because based on what I was looking for, this was going to be the place where I could get the most professional care on a regular basis that I needed. I've been very pleased because, to me, there's nothing more important than my dental health. And so I've been able to come in on a regular basis and learn things that I actually had never heard before, because the office staff is very professional, very knowledgeable, and of course I have great confidence that every time I come in, if there's any issue, they're going to find it and they're going to fix it. I also have dental implants, and that was another reason why I wanted to come, because again, it's so important that you maintain your implants as well as your any periodontal work. So when I come in, the checkup is always very complete, very professional, and any issues are immediately addressed. So I'm very happy, and I would highly recommend anybody who's got any issues with their gums or teeth to come in and see the staff here.